Hello everybody, today we're going to be creating a Minecraft clone in Ursina. So first of all, what you want to do is install the Ursina module, which I will have pinned in the comments or in the description. When you do that, you just want to import the Ursina module like this, and create the application like this. So this will create the 3D/2D world. Now, because Minecraft is a voxel type game, we're going to be creating our own voxel. So voxels are pretty much interactable cubes that looks like a pixel in a sense. So we're going to create the voxel class from inheriting the button from Ursina. And then we can create the init, and we don't need this, so we can just delete this and delete this one too. And once we've created this, in this super, this is so we can inherit all the stuff from button, we want to set the parent to scene, parent equals scene, and then we just want to go into our new line, like right here. And what we want to do next is create the position equals position, and we will pass in a default position here. Position equals 0, 0, 0, and then we can go into a new line and we can set the model to a cube, and then we can set the origin underscore y equals 0.5. This will set the origin to 0.5 so it doesn't look bugged. And then we can set the texture to white cube, which is a default texture that comes built in with Ursina, so don't worry about installing it. And then on the next line we can do the color, so color equals color dot color, so we're going to make it random color so it looks nice. 0, 0, and then random dot uniform. I'm going to do 0.9 and 1.0. It's not a big difference, but it's a difference. And then what we're going to do next is create the highlight color so it looks nice when you hover over it. So we're going to do highlight color equals color dot line. So now that we've created the voxel class, we can create the spawning of the voxels, so creating a play area. So we can do for z in range and 8, and for x in range 8, so this will create an 8 by 8 area. That's just the floor, doesn't have any like, hills or anything because we're not creating a y. And we can do voxel equals voxel, and then we can set the position to x, it's vector free, so in brackets x, and then 0 for the y and z. So that'll create the play area. Now we want to create input for destroying and placing blocks. So this is a Ursina function, so with this input you always want to pass key into it. So this takes input from the keyboard and the mouse and controllers. So we're going to test for left mouse down. This is for placing the block. So if key is equal to left mouse down, we're going to create a hint info, which is pretty much just a raycast. Well, it is raycasting, but that's what we're going to call the variable hint info. And we're going to do the camera's world position and camera.forward, so this will be in front of the camera. And we're going to set a distance max 5. So if the hit info hits like this, is how we test if it hits, we can create a voxel at the position where the hit info hits. So hit info dot entity dot position, so this will be the position of the entity of the hit info. And then we can just do hit info dot normal, so it's normalized. And then this one will be for getting the right mouse button. So if we click right mouse down, it will destroy the block. So for this one, we're just going to do and mouse.hovered entity, so we can tell if we're hovering on the entity, and you can get that specific entity in particular. So just destroy mouse.hovered entity. And Minecraft is a first-person game, so we're going to import the first-person prefab from Ursina. Yep, that's right. I put an 8. Import everything, and then down here we can just create a player. So player equals first-person controller, and that's it. We've created our 3D game in Minecraft, our Minecraft clone. So you can now have a play around in it. You can do whatever. Destroy blocks, place some. Obviously it's not working because I'm not in range, and then I get in range. And you've created it, and then you can destroy it. And you can even just destroy the whole platform if you want, and then just go down forever. But yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.